Hello and welcome to this Checkmate into chess puzzle. This one was created by Theodore Brown in 1877. Black just has the king, a bishop and a pawn left. White has the king, queen, rook, two pawns and a bishop. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in two? Checking the king by moving the queen to c1 is only a mate in three. King can move to b3. You can then check with the queen. If the king moves to a3, you can checkmate in three by moving the queen to a2. Moving the bishop to f5 is only a mate in 3, not 2. If the king takes the pawn, you can check the king by moving the queen to d5. King moves to a4, you can mate in 3 with the rook. If the king moves to b2, you can then checkmate in 3 by moving the queen to a2. Moving the queen to c6 isn't a checkmate in 2. Black can move the bishop to b2, and then take that with the rook. If the king moves to a3, you can then mate in 3 with the queen. Or if the king takes a pawn on b3, you can then check with the queen. If the king moves to b2, you can checkmate in 3 with the queen to a2 move. Moving the queen to d5 is another mate in 3. If the king moves to a3, you can check again with the queen. If the king moves to b2, you can mate in 3 by moving the queen to a2. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to a8. If black moves their bishop to b1, you can then take it with the rook to checkmate in 2. If black takes the pawn with their bishop, you can then move the queen to h8 to checkmate in 2. If the black king decides to take the rook on a1, you can move the queen to h8 to checkmate in 2. If the black king takes the pawn on b3, you can then move the queen to a2 to checkmate in 2. That's it for this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.